Hey guys, thanks for coming to the second video on my other channel. It's freezing in here. You would think 2 winter jackets, 7 t-shirts, 3 sweatshirts, and a long sleeve shirt would keep you warm. That's not the case. It's been 3 hours since I've been trapped in my room. And I have no idea how to get out. I'm trying to think of something with this duct tape and dollar bill, but I have no idea what. Since it's already been 3 hours, I'm thinking I only have 9 hours left before I starve to death. I'm trying to ration out my peanut by eating half of it every 6 hours, and maybe I'll survive. I don't know yet. In the meantime though, before I starve, I need to figure out how to get out of here before I freeze to death too. So let me try and figure something out. So it's currently hour 6. I think I figured out a way on how I might be able to get out, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna try to use the duct tape and make a duct tape key and see if the door will open. Let me just try this out. Alright, I finished making the key. I had to take my gloves off to make it. My hands are frozen. But here's the key. I'm gonna see if it'll open the door now. I don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a shot. The key is too flexible. Ugh. I think the key is too flexible. It didn't work. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. This sucks. I gotta get out of here. I currently only have half of my peanut left. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't know. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat the rest of the peanut. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna take a nap. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Alright. It's hour 9. The peanut's gone. I'm just gonna nap some more. Alright. Think I'm hallucinating now. I think it's hour 11. I'm about to starve to death. I think half my body has frostbite. But I hallucinated that I'm in a vending machine. I think if I use my dollar bill and put a duct tape string on it and put it underneath the door and see if the door will open like a vending machine. I want to give that a last surviving shot. And the rope is for so I can get my dollar bill back, of course. So let's put this plan into action and see how it works. Alright. Probably only have a half hour left. I made my dollar on a chain thing. Seeing if my room is actually a vending machine. I'm gonna put it under the door now. Here goes nothing. I'm free. It's finally warming up in my room. I was able to eat another peanut. There's another peanut on the outside of the door. I'm free. So since I lived, subscribe down below for this new channel and have more crazy epic shit just like this video. Alright, see you next week.